Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Today I have a quick video that's going to show you how the primary coordinator can quickly and easily search for volunteers and thank them for participating in opportunities. In order to do that, we're going to pay attention to the filtering section and which fields we want to pay attention to most. The first field that we want to pay attention to is going to be the last name contains. This is a really helpful field because you can search by the full last name or a partial last name. Let's look for Stan Louder, and in this case I'm going to do a partial spelling just to show you how effective that is. So I'm going to type in LO and filter on that volunteer. You notice one option comes up and here is Stan Louder. At this point I can email the filtered list. I can quickly create my subject line and message and of course send that out to Mr. Louder. Let's go ahead and clear and reset the data. The next field to take a look at is going to be the email contains. This is very similar to the last name contains in that you can type in the full email address or partial. In this case, let's look for an individual whose email address contains vol3. Again, I'm going to filter on those volunteer pool. I have one option that comes up, and if I scroll down a little bit further, I can see that's Jane Doe, and her email address is vtapgvol3@gmail.com. Again, email the filtered list, create the subject line, and send that message out. Let's clear and reset the data, and the next field that I want to take a look at is going to be the search for word or phrase. This can be really helpful. Maybe you're looking to identify a specific group, such as an outside agency that's spending time within your school site. This could be examples such as the YMCA, United Way, Big Brothers, and Big Sisters. So as an example, let's take a look and see how many of our volunteers are affiliated with United Way. Do again a partial search. You'll notice that number went from 11 to 4. Again, that's 4 volunteers that have some sort of association with the United Way. I can email all 4 of these individuals again by selecting the email filtered list, or I can select a specific individual such as Natasha Brown and send email to the selected person. And again, of course, we create that message and send that notification out. Last but not least, let's take a look at the star rating. This could be a valuable tool for you if your district's keeping up with volunteer time. Now, you certainly would have the ability to filter on volunteers for any of the 5-star ratings. As an example, let's take a look at volunteers that have no stars. And in this case, what we could quickly do is send them an email thanking them for signing up to be a volunteer, but encouraging them to participate in more opportunities. We can certainly do this on the opposite side and indicate who our 5-star volunteers are, and again send them an email and thank them for spending as much time as they can within our school sites. That's how quick and easy you as the primary coordinator can search for volunteers and send them thank you emails for participating in opportunities.